Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys some stones. You can't always get what you want. Super great song, super easy. We only have 3 chords. Cool, so I'm in standard tuning. We got song is in C. First finger, second finger, third finger. And then we have F major. Let's play it like this. So that's first finger, second finger on G, third finger on A string, third fret, and pinky on third fret D string. So it's basically this F, and then you just switch these guys like that. And then we have a D. D major. Let's just make it D. So first finger there and third finger there. So we're gonna bypass the high E string. Okay, so let's talk about the switching. And then the right hand. So it's C 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. F 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a verse and part of the chorus too. And then let's go to D. 2, 3, 4. F and C. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And what I hear them doing on the recording, they lift up on C, they lift up the second finger. So you hear the open D, sometimes so it's. And over F, we do the same thing on the G string. Singing that, it's 3 times. Can't always get what you want. D. 2, 3, 4, and F. Do-do-do-do-do. Beautiful song and simple, right? Okay, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome songs. Be safe, take it easy.